And here we have Tiffany and her first firework experience. July 3rd, 2013. This is groundbreaking.
Here she goes, y'all.
Okay, y'all see the light?
And she's lighting it. Maybe. There's black. I see a lightning bug.
I'm not gonna know what it's
There we go.
Hey, that was Daniel.
No.
Can't claim that one.
Looks like we're having some technical difficulties here. We've got a first timer and a schooled firecracker. Yeah!
Run!
Now turn around.
Turn around. Woo! Woo! Oh! Tiffany, you did that!
Woohoo! Tiffany!
Here we go. Oh, All right,
Go
that's
light
five
another
more,
one.
I think.
We've got it on video.
Do another?
Yes, go do another one.
Oh, it's fireworks war.